Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Lab.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Lab, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here today.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm feeling very festive. And you?
I'm excellent. I can feel Christmas in the air. It's such a special time of year.
It really is. The whole atmosphere changes in December, doesn't it?
It does. There's something magical about it. But before we dive into our Christmas topic today, we have a small request.
Yes, if you're enjoying our podcast, please take a moment to click the like button.
It really helps us reach more English learners. And if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Everyday English Lab.
Share this episode with your friends and family who are learning English. We want to help as many people as possible.
Thank you so much. Okay, Tom, are you ready to talk about Christmas?
I am so ready. This is one of my favorite topics.
Mine too. So let's start with a simple question. Tom, what is the first thing you think about when someone says Christmas?
That's a good question. I think about the Christmas tree. A big green tree with lights and decorations.
Oh, yes. The Christmas tree is so important. Do you decorate a tree every year?
I do. My family and I put up the tree in early December. We have ornaments, we have lights, we have a star on top.
A star or an angel?
In my house, we use a star, a big gold star. What about you, Sarah?
We use an angel, a beautiful white angel. But I love both. They're both traditional.
They are, and the smell of the tree is wonderful. If you have a real tree, it smells like the forest.
That's true. Some people have real trees. Some people have artificial trees. Artificial means not real, made of plastic.
My family has an artificial tree now. It's easier. No needles falling on the floor.
That's practical. But I miss the smell of a real tree.
Me too. Maybe we can use a Christmas candle that smells like pine trees.
Good idea. Okay, so we have the tree. What else is important at Christmas?
Decorations? Not just the tree, but the whole house. We hang lights outside.
Oh, I love Christmas lights. Some neighborhoods are so beautiful. Every house has colorful lights.
Yes, red, green, blue, white, and some people make elaborate displays. They have reindeer, snowmen, Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. We have to talk about Santa.
Of course. Father Christmas, the man in the red suit.
Do children in your country believe in Santa Claus?
Yes, when they're young, they write letters to Santa, they ask for presents.
That's so sweet. And on Christmas Eve, they leave cookies and milk for Santa.
Exactly, and carrots for the reindeer.
The reindeer who pull Santa's sleigh through the sky.
Do you remember the names of the reindeer, Sarah?
Let me think. Rudolph. He has the red nose.
Yes, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. That's the most famous one.
And there's Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen.
Wow, you know them all. Very impressive.
I learned them from a Christmas song. Songs are great for learning English.
They really are. Speaking of songs, what's your favorite Christmas carol?
A Christmas carol is a traditional Christmas song. My favorite is Silent Night.
Silent Night. That's a beautiful one. Very peaceful.
Yes. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright. The words are simple and easy to understand.
I like Jingle Bells. It's fun and energetic. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
That's a classic. Everyone knows that song. Even people who don't celebrate Christmas.
True. Christmas music is everywhere in December. In the shops, on the radio, in restaurants.
Some people love it. Some people get tired of it.
I understand both sides, but I enjoy it. It makes me feel happy.
Me too. It creates a festive mood. Now, let's talk about Christmas food. What do you eat at Christmas, Tom?
Oh, the food is amazing. We have a big Christmas dinner on December 25th.
What's on the table?
Turkey. A big roasted turkey. That's the main dish.
Turkey is traditional in many countries. In the UK, the US, Canada.
Yes, and we have stuffing inside the turkey. Stuffing is bread with herbs and vegetables.
Delicious. What else?
Roasted potatoes, carrots, Brussels sprouts, and gravy.
Gravy is the brown sauce, right?
Yes, made from the turkey juice. It's very tasty. And for dessert, we have Christmas pudding.
Christmas pudding. That's very British.
It is. It's a dark, heavy cake with dried fruit. Some people put brandy on it and light it on fire.
On fire?
Yes, just for a moment. It's dramatic. The flames are blue.
Wow, that sounds exciting. In some countries, people eat different things. In Italy, they have fish on Christmas Eve.
Fish. Not turkey?
Not turkey. 7 different types of fish. It's called the Feast of the Seven Fishes.
That's interesting. Every culture has its own traditions.
Exactly. In Germany, they eat Stollen. It's a sweet bread with fruit and nuts.
And in France?
In France, they have a special cake called bûche de Noël. It looks like a log of wood.
A log?
Yes, because people used to burn a Yule log in the fireplace at Christmas, so the cake is shaped like a log.
That's creative. I would like to try that.
Me too. Food is such an important part of Christmas. It brings families together.
It does. Everyone sits around the table, they eat, they talk, they laugh.
It's a time for connection, for being with the people you love.
Absolutely. And that brings us to another important topic, Christmas presents.
Ah, yes, the gifts. Do you exchange gifts with your family, Tom?
We do. On Christmas morning, we open presents together.
What's that like?
It's exciting. Everyone sits near the tree. One person gives out the presents.
And you tear open the wrapping paper?
Yes, the colorful paper, red, green, gold, silver.
Do you try to guess what's inside before you open it?
Sometimes. I shake the box. I try to feel the shape.
That's fun. What's the best present you ever received?
When I was a child, I got a bicycle. A red bicycle. I was so happy.
A bicycle is a great gift. What about as an adult?
As an adult, the best gifts are not things. They're experiences,
What do you mean?
like a trip with family or tickets to a concert. Those memories last longer than objects.
That's very true. Sometimes we focus too much on buying expensive things.
We do. The shops are so busy in December. People are rushing, buying, spending money.
It can be stressful.
It can. That's why I want to talk about something important, Sarah.
What's that?
The real meaning of Christmas, beyond the shopping and the decorations.
I'm glad you brought that up, because Christmas is more than just a holiday with presents.
It's more than Santa Claus and reindeer.
It's about the birth of Jesus Christ.
Exactly. That's where the word Christmas comes from. Christ's Mass, a celebration of Jesus.
For Christians around the world, this is the heart of the holiday.
Can you tell us the story, Sarah?
Of course. 2,000 years ago, in a town called Bethlehem, a baby was born.
This wasn't an ordinary baby.
No, this was Jesus, the Son of God. His mother was Mary. His earthly father was Joseph. They traveled to Bethlehem because the Roman government required a census. Everyone had to return to their hometown. When they arrived in Bethlehem, the town was crowded. There was no room at the inn, no place for them to stay. So Mary and Joseph stayed in a stable, a place where animals sleep. And that night, Jesus was born. Mary wrapped him in cloths and laid him in a manger. A manger is a feeding box for animals. The King of Kings was born in the humblest place. Meanwhile, in the fields nearby, shepherds were watching their sheep. Suddenly, an angel appeared in the sky. The shepherds were terrified, but the angel said, "Do not be afraid. I bring you good news of great joy." Today in the town of David, a Savior has been born to you. He is Christ the Lord. Then a whole army of angels appeared, singing praises to God. Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace to men. The shepherds went to Bethlehem and found the baby, just as the angel said.
This is the story we call the Nativity.
It's a beautiful, simple story, but it changed the world.
It did because Jesus came to bring hope, peace, and love.
He came for everyone, rich and poor, famous and unknown.
He didn't come in power and wealth, he came in humility.
That's the message. God loves us so much that he sent his son,
Not to a palace, but to a stable.
not to the powerful, but first to simple shepherds.
This tells us that God cares about everyone.
No matter who you are, where you're from, what you have or don't have,
You are valuable to God.
and that's why Christmas feels so warm and special.
It's a celebration of love.
God's love for humanity.
When we understand this, it changes how we see Christmas.
The presents become less important.
The decorations are nice, but they're not the point.
The point is Jesus.
He is the reason for the season.
That's a famous English phrase. Jesus is the reason for the season.
I like it. It helps us remember what matters.
So this Christmas, we can slow down.
Instead of running to the shops, we can sit quietly.
We can read the Christmas story in the Bible,
We can pray. We can thank God for his gift.
and we can share that love with others
How do we do that?
by being kind, by helping people who need help,
By spending time with family, not just buying them things.
by forgiving people who hurt us.
By being patient, even when the shops are crowded.
These are the qualities Jesus showed us.
Love, kindness, patience, humility.
If we practice these things, we're celebrating Christmas in the truest way.
That's beautiful, Sarah. Talking about this makes me feel peaceful.
Me too. There's something comforting about the Christmas message.
Especially if you're feeling lonely or sad during the holidays.
Yes, some people find Christmas difficult. They miss loved ones who died. They feel alone.
If that's you, I want you to know something.
You are not alone. God is with you.
One of the names of Jesus is Emmanuel.
Emmanuel means God with us.
He is not far away in heaven. He is here, close to you.
You can talk to him anytime. In your room, in your car, wherever you are.
He listens. He cares.
And there are people who care about you too.
Maybe reach out to a friend. Send a message. Make a call.
Sometimes we all need connection.
That's what Christmas is about. Connection with God and with each other.
You know, Tom, I also think about the wise men in the Christmas story.
Oh yes, the 3 wise men, they came from the east.
They followed a special star in the sky.
The star led them to baby Jesus.
They brought gifts, gold, frankincenses, and myrrh.
These were very valuable gifts, fit for a king.
The wise men traveled a long distance. It wasn't easy,
But they didn't give up. They kept following the star.
and when they found Jesus, they worshipped him.
This shows us something important about faith.
Sometimes the journey is long and difficult.
But if we keep seeking, we will find what we're looking for.
That's a good lesson for learning English, too.
How so?
Learning a language is a long journey. Sometimes it's hard.
But if you keep going, you will reach your goal.
Don't give up when it's difficult.
Keep following your star. Your dream of speaking English.
I love that connection, Tom. Very inspiring.
Thank you, Sarah.
Now, before we finish, let's give our listeners some practical tips for learning English during Christmas.
Great idea. Tip number 1, listen to Christmas carols in English.
Songs like Silent Night, Joy to the World, O Come All Ye Faithful.
The words are often simple and repeated many times.
You can find the lyrics online. Read along while you listen.
Tip number 2, watch a Christmas movie in English.
There are so many good ones. It's a Wonderful Life, The Polar Express, A Christmas Carol.
Use English subtitles to help you understand.
Tip number 3. Read the Christmas story from the Bible in English.
You can find it in the book of Luke, chapter 2.
Just a few verses. Read slowly and try to understand the meaning.
Tip number 4. Learn Christmas vocabulary.
Words like ornament, wreath, stocking, chimney, sleigh.
These are useful words, and they're specific to the season.
Tip number 5. Practice describing your own Christmas traditions in English.
Talk about what you do, what you eat, how you celebrate.
You can write it down or record yourself speaking.
This makes the English personal and meaningful to you.
These are all great ways to improve your English while enjoying the season.
And remember, learning English is a journey.
Just like the wise men traveled to find Jesus, you are traveling to learn this language.
Don't give up. Keep practicing every day.
Even just 10 or 15 minutes makes a difference.
We're proud of you. You're doing a wonderful job.
Well, Tom, this has been such a special conversation.
It really has. I feel inspired.
Me too. Christmas is more than traditions and decorations,
It's about love, hope, and peace.
and it's about Jesus, who came to bring light into the world.
That's the message we want to leave with everyone today.
Before we go, we have a question for all of you listening.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you.
In the comments below, please tell us, what is your favorite thing about Christmas?
Is it the food, the music, the family time, or the spiritual meaning?
Write your answer in English. It's great practice.
And please write Merry Christmas to everyone.
Let's fill the comments with Christmas greetings from around the world.
Also, if you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like.
And subscribe to Everyday English Lab so you don't miss our future episodes.
Share this with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today.
We appreciate every one of you.
Have a wonderful, blessed Christmas season.
May you feel God's love and peace in your heart.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.